Fill alternative, canvas stitch type horizontal and vertical. Slanting, canvas stitch fill to full length X and canvas stitch fill to full length Y. This is multiple button video. With this buttons, we can set different cross-stitch pattern in canvas. First, we will make a canvas. Press a canvas button, and drag the mouse where you want to draw the canvas. This is how the line will show when we draw the canvas. Then, select the canvas and press Reshape button. Now, if we want to fill alternative cross stitches in canvas, press Fill Alternative button. Here, you can see that in canvas, cross stitch has been filled with alternative crosses. Let's see again. Press Canvas button, and draw a canvas. Now, we will add different cross-stitch patterns in canvas. We can add cross stitches by dragging mouse cursor. Also add a single cross stitches by mouse clicking. If you want to change cross stitch pattern, long press on this button with mouse left click. Then, fill cross stitch single by mouse left click. And also fill with mouse dragging. Now, we will change cross stitch pattern by pressing mouse left click and drag the mouse where you want to fill. Now, if you want to fill patterns like plus symbol type, long press on this button with mouse left click and draw cross stitch as per your need. Here, you can see plus type cross stitch has been drawn. Now, if we want to draw half cross pattern, long press on this button with mouse left click and select pattern you want. Here, you can see half cross stitch has been drawn. Here, we will add more cross stitch pattern. In the same way, we can use different patterns in canvas.